On this week's episode of Footings to Finished, we're gonna check out this stunning new kitchen, flooring, and some light fixtures on Lot 9. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and you found Footings to Finished. Coming in from the 3-car garage, we move into the mudroom, which is a very good size, as you can see. And then we enter into this beautiful kitchen. Let's take a look. Check out this kitchen. It is so gorgeous. They went with the classic white shaker. As you can see here, this is where the stove will go. Beautiful drawers, soft clothes, gotta love it. Okay, double oven's gonna go here. And then there's also the pantry, so helpful. Refrigerator's gonna be here on this wall. And then they have this stunning deep blue island. They've got the farmhouse sink right in the center of the island. And then I imagine this is gonna be the dishwasher. Isn't that pretty in the light? You see the white and the blue. From the kitchen, it's open to the beautiful family room, the slider that's gonna go to the back deck, and then this stunning eat-in kitchen area here. Move through the kitchen, and this is the butler's pantry. It sweeps right through into the dining room. And today we even have some light fixtures. How pretty is that? Beautiful chandelier, wainscoting on all of the walls. We'll move over here to the foyer, which is also a beautiful size. We have another light fixture here. And then we walk into the office space. Beautiful light blue on the walls, big windows, and of course, double French doors. Half bath here on the first floor, and they matched that deep blue, but instead did gold hardware here in the bathroom. Moving upstairs, we kept this Riley pretty close to the original floor plan. So you have one bedroom here off the front stairs. So you move into this first bathroom, and remember, this model has a Jack and Jill. So we'll walk through here, and it's gonna go straight into the other bedroom. It does have an insert here in the bathroom. And then we move into the second bedroom, a beautiful blue, like a robin's egg blue. Check out this primary bedroom. It has beautiful windows along the whole back wall. And then you walk into your stunning bathroom. They did the deep blue with the black hardware like they had in the kitchen. And last but not least, we have the fourth bedroom. It's a very generous size, and it does have its own ensuite bathroom as well as a closet. Perfect for a growing teen or even a guest who's going to stay for a little bit. And then also they put in an entryway to their laundry room. So they will be able to be in the bathroom with their laundry room right past the WC here. And this is the closet. I mean, if this isn't a dream closet, I don't know what is. You could have a huge island in here. It is so beautiful. So it truly is the perfect primary suite. Are you loving this new construction content? Then why not subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit that bell so you always know when I post new content every Wednesday at 7 p.m. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and I'll see you next week for another episode of Footings to Finished.